I scared Doordash delivery drivers.
Where's my drink?
Happy.
My drink?
Huh?
My drink?
Deliver?
Yeah. Thank gracias, man. Oh, you guys see the title of this video. I'm gonna try to scare the mess out of Doordash delivery drivers. So we're here at Spirit Halloween, where we're gonna find a creepy costume that I can be in disguise. And when they show up at the house, I'm getting them. You guys seen the last video. Thanks for all the love, by the way. For this video, we wanna make it fun. We wanna get Doordashers. We're gonna scare them really bad. We gonna scare them today in hopes for them to drop the order. I just want them to drop the order. That's my goal, is to make somebody drop the drinks. All right, so we got the setup, as you guys can see. When the DoorDasher walks up from this angle with those drinks, my goal is to scare them and make them drop the drinks. I want them to just completely spill the drinks all over the place. I think that'd be funny. We got our Dasher on the way. Bella's gonna be right here in the car filming. We got the tents so they can't see what's gonna be happening. See, behind the tents, I can't see anything. I can't see anything in there. Give me my drinks. Those are my drinks, man. Those are my drinks, man. Thank you, brother. Hey, good job, good job. We gotta change the plans because he was too far. We gotta put the guys over here. The guys over here, because they're not gonna walk up here. He walked all the way around. He was scared, bro. Dang. All right, let's go, let's go. Trust my vision. Trust my vision.
I can when I see this man.
Hey, good job. You had a handle. Yeah. Doesn't mind?
Drink.
Oh, thank you, thank you. She didn't even ring the doorbell like she's supposed to, and she's still waiting there. She's probably calling the cops on me or something. Like, this is a creeper. He's trying to get me. She didn't even follow the directions. She didn't ring the doorbell or anything, and she's just still standing there at the red light. Oh, at the stop sign. Yo, we might have to change locations. This location's hot.
Yeah,
we have to go to
we caught up now.
Go to a new location. Let's get the dummy and get out of here. Yo.
Oh my God.
Yo. Yo, come here.
Just drop all of my drinks.
Yo, no, they're mine. It's Happy Halloween, it's cool. Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween. Yo, it was a joke. There's a camera right there. Yeah. Yo, it's caught. Yo, listen. Yo, check this out. Yeah, look, I'm gonna hook you up. Yo, you was like the second person to drop everything.
My heart's still beating.
Yo, look, you was the second person to drop everything. The first person, I didn't even get on camera. The camera died. But yo, that was epic. You made the video a lot better. I just want to let you know. So I'm gonna hook you up. I'm gonna tip you really well. But look, I scared a lot of people. But your reaction was crazy. And look, I just want to say, it was just a prank. I'm just having fun. You know what I'm saying? TatVar on YouTube. Make sure you go subscribe.
I will.
Okay. So listen, everybody go subscribe. I'm gonna hook you up. We straight? We cool?
Yes.
Yo, DoorDashers, look out, because I'm coming for you. Yo, that was awesome, though. That was good. Hey, what's up? What's going on, you guys? So I lost a lot of footage because the GoPro camera kept dying mid-film, and I literally lost some of the best footage of scaring some of the funniest moments because the GoPro just likes to die at 70% battery for some reason. I don't know why. GoPro, you need to fix that. It made me really, really mad. Yeah, sorry for the late video, you guys, and thanks for all the love on the last one. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe if you haven't already. We're gonna turn this channel all the way up. We're gonna have a lot of fun. I think it's time that we have more fun and help more people. And by the way, all these DoorDash drivers, I did tip them extra for wasting their time, for scaring them, and yeah, just for messing with them. So let's get it. Team, run it up. You already know what to do.